Picked up this 3000 lumen magnetic work light for my husband. He's used a lot of different work lights over the years, but this one seriously impressed him. It has two main brightness levels, 3000 lumens for full and 1500 lumens for lower, and it also includes a warmer yellow toned light option, which is nice depending on what you're working on and how much glare you want. The beam is wide and bright, which makes it really useful under the hood, in the garage, or for vehicle inspections. One of the standout features is that magnetic base. The magnets at the end rotate so you can adjust the angle while it's attached to metal surfaces. That makes positioning the light exactly where you need it so much easier. It runs on a 5200 milliamp rechargeable battery, and the runtime depends on the brightness level you're using. It can also double as an emergency power source for devices, which is super cool. The build feels solid and durable, and it's rated for water and impact resistance, which is great for workshop environments. So if you're looking for a bright rechargeable work light, this is a really solid option.